all the dignified members of Sunrise family and my dear friends. First of all, great morning to all of you.
Great morning, Shivam.
My name is Shivam. Today I am here for mastering the concept and my topic is light. What is my topic?
Light.
Anyone know what is light? No worry, I will tell you. A light is a form of energy. A light is a
Form of energy.
which gives a sensation of vision. A light is a
Form of energy.
which gives a sensation of
Vision.
So let's discuss the properties of light. What we have to discuss now?
Properties of light.
The first property of light is that the light is always travel in the straight line. The light always travel in the
Straight line.
Our next property is the speed of light in vacuum is raised to 10 raised to power 8. The speed of light in vacuum is
3 to 10 raised to power 8.
speed in vacuum is
3 to 10 to power 8.
and their unit is meter per second. The unit is
Meter per second.
our third property is the speed of light change its speed when it travels from one medium to another. Change of speed when travel one medium to
Another.
so let's discuss the sources of light. What do we have to discuss now?
Sources of light.
Sources of
Light.
there are four types of sources of light. Our first is luminous. What is our first?
Luminous.
Luminous are the objects which emits their own light. Luminous are the
Object.
which emits their own light. For example, sun, stars, etc. For example, sun and stars. Now our second source of light is non-luminous. The non-luminous are the objects which doesn't emit their own light. For example, chair, duster, etc. Now our third source of light is natural source of light. What is our third source of light?
Natural source of light.
The natural source of light are the source which are created by the God. For example, sun, stars. The sun is the ultimate source of light. Now our next is the artificial source of light. What is our last source of light?
Artificial source of light.
The artificial source of light are the light which are man-made, which are made by the human beings. For example, bulbs, LED, etc. Now, our next topic is medium. Anyone know about medium?
No.
No worry, I will tell you. Medium is anything which is allowed to light to propagate. Which allow to light
Propagate.
which allow to light.
Propagate.
Now let's discuss types of the medium. There are three types of medium. Our first is transparent. First is
Transparent.
second is translucent. And last is opaque. Transparent. The transparent are the object which allow to light to pass through them completely. For example, glass, etc. Translucent. The translucent are the object which allow to light partially. For example, oil paper, butter paper, etc. The last is opaque. The opaque are the object which doesn't allow to light to pass through them. For example, the ball, pen, etc. Now this all from my side. I want to ask some questions from you.